guys, kulang yung tulog ko. So, I need to be glowing later kasi I have an event and it's going to be a special event. So, I need to really prepare my skin for my makeup. I like that yung smell niya is hindi siya strong yung smell niya. Let me apply this to my face. Masarap po sa face, guys. It instantly gives off that cooling effect when you apply it to your face. Siguro dahil yun, parang na-absorb yung mask yung serum na parang hirap ko kanina. So yan. And I'll be back. Okay, so time to remove the mask. Sarap niya sa feeling. So I'm gonna massage down to my neck. Ang dami. So this is my outfit for today's event. So I bought this from Forever 21 and it's just a magenta backless dress. Tapos parang may silver linings siya. Silver linings. Ito yung mga lines. There, and yeah, it's so me. This dress is so me, guys. Kasi fuchsia pink or magenta pink. Tapos yan, yung may backless. Tapos yung skirt, may pagka-ruffled siya, which is pasok siya sa trend ngayon since it's summer. And ito yung shoes ko, guys. There, silver shoe. And this is my bag from Shopee. So, ayan. Very silver and pink yung outfit ko for Easy & Go's event later. So, and also, guys, my nails look. Ang ganda ng cat eye effect. And my butterfly charm pa na nilagay ko sa ring finger. Para lang cute siya tingnan. There. So, for my hair, I will be spraying this Babe Daily Hair Spray for my hair. So, it's in Moonbeam. Kasi mag-hair and makeup ako later. So, this is to protect my hair. I'm brushing my hair first. So, yun lang. Okay, good. Outfit check. So, my outfit for today. Baka hindi na kasi ako maka-outfit check later. Kasi magdali-dali ako for sure. So pretty. I love it. Oops, may tag pa nga. It's giving parang sassy vibes. According kay Jewel. Kasi sassy daw ng outfit ko. Cute. And then here's the silver. Follow niyo siya, guys, sa TikTok. Ang ganda ni Miss Carl. Thank you so much, Miss Carl. Ang ganda. I got my earrings from SM Accessories. Hi guys! So, nag-lunch namin. Masaya man yung vlog. Hello guys! Follow nyo si Rafa at It's Rafa Family. Gamit ka rapon nanay yung ano. Wala na akong maisip.
That is
Jewel Padilla on TikTok and Jewel PDLLA on Instagram.
Katapos lang namin sa Easy event, but we're planning to go back. On English? We're planning to go back there because we want to try out their jewelry. Multilingual eh.
Kaya friend tayo eh. Kaya friend tayo.
Currently using the shade
body from their Jelly collection. Wala nakalagay na tester habang akala nyo ikaw.
Guys, so katulad ko nakaiko kami ni Rap. Si Joey, guys. Si di ba guys? Ang OA. Ang OA na clumsy.
Nag-abot na dito. Nag-abot yung kasama nag-abot.
Ang ganda ng kami kuya. Anong cup to kuya? Nasa views guys. Wow. Uy, ang ganda.
Baka ka daw kayo.
Pero maganda sa sound ko. Ito yung nag-pass.
Tingnan mo girl. Ay, nice siya.
I'm using the Lip Bullet, the shade Brutal. Yeah.
Lip bullet.
Bullet.
Tingnan nyo guys, napakasosyal ng dalagitang to. Pero yung pang-alcohol niya guys, pang-spray ng tangi, yun ang ano.
Tapos ito meron ako. Ay, sorry. Meron ako. Meron ako. Tita na yan, 30 na yan siya guys. Ano ba? Mama. Maganda ka pero pagkakasalan din na. Ay, brother. Tsaka 30 ka guys, wala ko 30. Travel vibe. Ayan o. Ayan. Ano ginawa dito? Dito ka lang alis kami. Tapos actually meron na ako ito. Kaya ganyan na. Yung nose. Tapos meron din ako dito ano. I have my blush. This one. Our beauty. Shout out.
Gutom ka pa din. Kasi ka na gusto.
Pero gusto ko nila today. Kung wala dito na TV. Okay na natin. Uy, hindi ka sabaw. Hindi. Ano ba? Bawal ka hyper sa naman. Ay, hindi ka na. Ay, kasi na sila doon sa bawal sa sila. Wait, dyan sila. Okay,
Thank you so much. Bye.
Ako gina-excite yung ulit akong lips. Nag-ready na ako sa akong lips. Uy, wag kayo ha?
Ayun, nice. Wala bagay yung shade sa akin.
It's very you.
Gani.
Ito talaga si Buddy. Buddy.
Ikaw si Buddy.
Ako naman si
Buddy.
Ano to? Si Buddy. Bunny. Bunny.
Ako.